Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it is time for an unboxing. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm super excited about this one. So yeah, let's dig in. It's been a couple days since I have done a video, and these have been sitting in my living room, and I thought, you know what, I want to talk to you guys tonight, so let's do an unboxing. So I'm super excited. Look how it's tissue wrapped in there. There's a nice card in there. Let's pull this out. Yes, little thank you tag. It's beautifully wrapped. Can you guys guess who this is from? For those of you who have probably ordered from her, you can guess. This is from Kelly Head. So excited. I love the little personal touches that go with it. See, it even matches purple and purple. So here we go. Now, what I love about Kelly Head is on her Facebook, if you go to the photo album, she has, look at that, they're elephants. She has all the fabrics that she offers. Oh my gosh, guys, look how beautiful that is. Oh, I love this elephant right here. And then on the other side, I don't know what you would call these, like a junk bag, or I've been drooling over these since I saw them on Gone Off My Meds. She made some for her, and then Mrs. Coffee and a couple other people have been getting them, and I had to get one. So instead of a diamond painting, this is something I purchased a little while ago, and inside it's beautifully lined. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, so cute. She sent a little gift. It's a little notebook. How fun is that? It's got follow your rainbow. Super cute. And then some stickers. Oh, these are going to be perfect on my easel. And oh, yum, 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 ice cream. Gotta love that. And here's this other little gift. The card told me where this gift was from, so I'll be able to tell you. Oh, it's a polymer clay pen. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And that is from KK Unique's Diamond Painting Pens. That's awesome. And this bag was $25, guys. Seriously, so worth it. I'm going to put in the description down below Kelly Head's Facebook group. It is a closed group. You have to be invited to it, but please answer the questions if there are any, because it's so worth it. In her photo album, she has like 100 to 200 different fabrics, but she will also look for fabrics for you. I had told her I loved elephants, hence my little elephant cover minders that I keep using. They're beautiful. And if you saw my video on these cover minders, these are also from KK's Unique Diamond Painting Pen. So I'll put both those links down below. They should be in my favorite Facebook group area, but I'll put them at the top of the description as well so that you can easily find them. So this bag is really big. You can fit lots of stuff in here. So I can fit like my wax and my cover minders, maybe a cherry Coke, maybe some lotion. I don't know. Maybe I'm just grabbing things. Maybe my roller, see that fits in there. My tape measure fits in there. and a bunch of diamond. Here, let's put one of these in here. My little Foxy Woxy. Another diamond, and there's still, look at that, tons of room in there. These would make great makeup bags. These are great for your crochet, like all your hooks and everything. These are going to be great for your diamond painting stuff. You name it, these are phenomenal. So Kelly, thank you so much. I know that you've had a difficult couple of weeks. Thank you for hanging in there and for sending out my amazing, gorgeous bag. I will definitely be saving up to get a couple more for gifts for people because these are phenomenal. Guys, $25 for this. It's handmade. She makes sure that everything matches. The stitching is amazing. It's got the little tags on the ends. It's just gorgeous, and it like folds up flat if you want. And then she sends the cute thank you card and the little stickers. So great personal touch. Kelly really cares about her consumers. So thank you so much, Kelly. I am going to enjoy this immensely. It is so gorgeous, and the fabric is perfect that you found for me. So I appreciate it, and until next time, you guys, take care. Have a wonderful day and be blessed. Bye-bye.